These days, web browsers are no longer just a web browser. There's AI everywhere, you've got tracking and telemetry going on, you've got ads popping up on the new tab page. AI is actually especially bad because it's AI search, AI for your tabs, it's AI for everything. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just get back to, a browser? It's a web browser. I use it for browsing the web. What a concept. It turns out, thanks to one man, you can, with a tool called Just the Browser. Hi, and welcome back to ScottiesTech.Info. I'm Scotty with my co-host Cletus the Tribble. So what is Just the Browser? Well, it's a script, actually a couple of scripts. One for Windows, one for Linux and Mac. And you simply run the script, and what it does is it goes in and it removes all the annoying stuff, especially AI. To read about it, you can go to justthebrowser.com. Currently, Just the Browser automatically disables for you most AI features, generative AI models either on device or in the cloud, Copilot and Edge, blah, 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 group suggestions. It disables shopping features, sponsored or third-party content, those annoying default browser reminders that keep popping up. Do you want to make me your default browser? Oh my God, just leave me alone. First-run experiences, gone. Data import prompts, gone. Telemetry, stopped. It removes everything. And what it gives you is just a simple web browser again. It's really, really cool. Now, you're probably going, hang on a minute, Scotty, this is a script I'm going to download from the internet. That's scary. Well, you can go, you notice here it says open source on GitHub. So we go to Corbin Davenport /justthebrowser on GitHub, and you can actually look and see what it does because it's all open source. It's right here. So for example, first we look at the actual script that's running. We'll look at the Windows PowerShell script first. And you can check this out yourself. I did, of course. And what it's actually doing is, this is all kind of like do stuff and give me the text prompt. What it's actually doing is calling, for example, Firefox install.reg or reg. So let's go to Firefox. And what is this registry thingy that it's adding? It's adding stuff to our registry. That could be dangerous. Well, you can check it out for yourself. And as you can see, it's disabling Firefox studies, sponsored stories, goodbye, sponsored top sites, bye-bye. Generative AI disables it. All the chat nonsense disables. It disables the AI controls that Firefox added earlier this year. Search engine perplexity, ta-ta, so long, see you later. So you can verify for yourself that the script does exactly what it's supposed to do. Now, how does it actually work? Well, for Windows, which is probably what most people have, you can scroll down to the Get Started section and it says da-da-da. It gives you instructions right there on justthebrowser.com, but we're going to triple click that and copy, and then we're going to run PowerShell by clicking Start, type PowerShell, and we want Windows PowerShell, run as administrator, confirm that, and then all we're going to do is copy that script, right-click the mouse button, and here you go. Select an option by typing the number, blah, blah, blah. Google Chrome, update settings. Okay, so let me type 1, enter. It downloads the registry file, boom. Press enter to continue. All right, now let's make Edge AI free. 3. And downloading, and it's done. Press enter to continue. And finally, Firefox, we type 5, update settings, downloads the registry file, and there you go, it's done. Now, you have to restart the browser, and when you do, all the AI stuff will be gone. Now, as you can see here, we have 3 additional options to remove the fixes for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Also, for updating, you'd simply run the script again and update. Otherwise, you just tap 7, exit, and restart your browser, and boom, you're done. Now, you may notice if you go into, say, Firefox, it will say, oh, some options are managed by your organization. That's because this script actually uses group policy settings, which are sort of a corporate way of controlling things. If you don't want it, as I said, you can just remove the registry fixes that Just the Browser did. But the thing is, this is actually very good that it uses group policy settings, because what it means is when the browser updates, all that stuff isn't going to get wiped out. Whereas when you go in to Firefox or Chrome and you change a setting, a browser update can override it. This cannot be overridden. So now you're probably thinking, that's great, but what happens when there's an update? How do I know that an update has been released and I need to apply the settings again? For that, the only way that I know of is to go to the Corbin Davenport Just the Browser GitHub page. I'll put links to all this down in the description. You'll have to sign into GitHub and or create an account, and then when you do, you click this little notifications bell, and what will happen is you will get emails that notify you, just like this one, hey, there's an update, and it specifies, do you need to actually rerun the script or not? So it's super easy, you just need a GitHub account. So yeah, that's it. As I said, it's also available for Linux and Mac. It doesn't work exactly the same way because group policy is a Windows thing, but it's a shell script, which again, you can check out on GitHub. This is very, very cool. Even though, for example, Mozilla released a turn off all AI features in Firefox, like this basically nukes all the AI crap and the telemetry and the ad stuff, and it allows you to use a mainstream browser, which is what most websites are designed for, but without all the crappy AI junk. So, right, check it out, justthebrowser.com. For more techie tips, see ScottiesTech.Info. Thanks for watching. See you next time.